Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of exercise, let me get the random table topic for today. The table topic is real friends loves us despite our faults. Real friends love us despite our fault. Real friend love us despite our fault. If you look around, you find that most of the teenagers, what they are doing, they are trying to impress their friends. They are trying, uh, while trying, they want to grab, uh, they want to ask bike for them, him. They want to ask phone for them, they want to ask laptop for them, to just impress their friend, right? But and they believe that if they can get such things, then they will get the attention, they will be the super talked person in the class, in the school, college, might be. But let me tell you, often people need to think bigger. And when you talk about real friends never change your money. They will be with you despite your faults. Even if you have no money, they will be with you. So if we indulge in some kind of activities, we want to get something to impress other people, you will get temporary friends. When you have that, they will be with you, but when you don't have that, they will leave you. So it becomes very important to identify such people and not to give in peer pressure, right? Uh, we see in movies, we see in web series that people trying to impress their friends circle, and they buy something, these gadgets, and ultimately what happens to them. So the message is, don't fall in the trap. Look for real friends, and they will love you despite your shortcomings, fault. That's all I have to say. Thank you.